Hey guys! I hope this video finds you well. Thank you so much for stepping into my corner of the world today. In today's video, I am taking you through a relaxing nighttime clean with me. I had quite a few things to tackle on my list once my son went down for bed, which in total took me about 3 hours. We'll be covering mostly cleaning, but also some tidying as well as fresh flower arrangements. The first thing I tackled was just a quick cleanup of my son's playroom. We did not have time to clean up our toys together, so after I put him in bed, I just did a quick cleanup, and then I went ahead and reorganized my son's books because his bookshelf, I tried to keep it as organized as I can so that he can easily grab books. But it got a little bit disheveled over the past week or so I just quickly took all of the books off of the shelves and then reorganized them for my son so he can easily see all the books and he can just easily grab them off the shelves. In these next clips here, you'll see me start to tackle some spaces in my kitchen. So I started with cleaning the stove, the microwave, the front of the oven, and then I had a ton of dishes to get done. I had some clean dishes that I had to put away first, and then I had dirty dishes that I needed to load in the dishwasher. I had to start the dishwasher, and then some dishes that I had to hand wash as well. And if you are unfamiliar with my channel, then an especially warm welcome to you. My name is Emily, and I am so happy that you could join me as I get some things done around my home today. And I would love to connect with you, so please be sure to say hi down in the comments so I don't miss you. And if anyone wants to connect with me on a more personal level, I'm just going to put my Instagram handle up here. So if you want to follow along with more of my day-to-day life, see what I'm posting on Instagram stories, then be sure to go follow me at Emily_Garlinsky. Since I am hoping that my audience is predominantly women, I want to speak to you all for a minute. I am an Enneagram 2, which is called the helper. My passion in life and where I feel most called is to support and comfort people. So I want to know from you, for those who feel comfortable, what is something that you struggle with the most as a person, a woman, mama? I think my biggest struggle is not comparing myself to other people. I think that's probably a struggle for a lot of people actually, but for me it's truly something I am battling with a lot, and I always have to keep myself in check. I think it helps to count my blessings instead of comparing, but that honestly doesn't stop the thoughts from coming a lot of the times. I just wanted to share a little piece of vulnerability with you all because I really think that we just need more realness in this world. I feel like especially in the social media world, everything is just fake and contrived, and I want when you come to my channel it just to seem real. I never want to seem fake or make you feel like I'm trying to put up a front. So I just wanted to be vulnerable with you all today so you feel like when you come here you really are in a safe space. So like I said, if you feel comfortable sharing, what is one of your struggles? It doesn't have to be anything, super deep. It can just be the littlest thing. But I want when you come to my channel, it just to be a community and a place where you feel loved, supported, and cared for. And I would love to support and encourage you through whatever your struggle is, or even just reiterate that you're not alone, because chances are your struggle is not the only one who's struggling with it. I'm sure there's many others who could share in your struggle too. So drop a comment if you so wish, and we can chat through it. After I finished tackling all of those dishes, I decided to give the front of my dishwasher a nice clean with my stainless steel spray. This spray is so great for getting rid of smudges and fingerprints and water drip marks. It's just the best. If anyone is on the market looking for a new stainless steel spray, it's the Weiman brand, Weiman, and I just get it anywhere, like at Target. That's where I get it, but I'm pretty sure they sell it at Walmart and other places like that too. So if you need a good stainless steel spray, I recommend that one. After cleaning the countertops, I moved on to just doing a quick wipe down of the faucet, the top of the sink, and then the bottom of the sink as well. Now, I was just doing a quick clean, like a speed clean, so I did not scrub my sink with my powder cleanser. As you can see here, my sink is stained at the bottom. But you guys, I didn't feel like doing the whole song and dance of trying to scrub out the bottom of my sink. So I'm leaving the stains for now, and I just decided to do a quick sanitize of my sink here. This is my absolute favorite time of year, and not just because it's summer, but also because it is peony season. I have 4 peony bushes in my yard, and every year around this time, they produce the most beautiful blooms. I look forward to them blooming every single year because it just means that summer is officially here, and they are so fragrant. They give me so much joy, so much positive energy, and I just love cutting the blooms and then having them displayed in my home. So here I am here just putting some of those arrangements together. I am not a professional flower arranger by any means, so I just assembled them as I thought looked good, and I also treated the water with some vinegar and some sugar to help the blooms last a little bit longer. So the 4 peony plants that I have 3 on the side of my house, and then I have 1 in my backyard. The 3 on the side of my house, there's 1 that's like the hot pink, 1 white, and then 1 light pink. And then in my backyard, which is my newest peony, that is like more of a medium pink. And peonies are my absolute favorite flower. They were what was in my bridal bouquet, so peonies are just near and dear to my heart. I would love to know from you down in the comments what your favorite flower is. After I finished up cleaning the kitchen, I moved on to doing a quick speed clean of the bathroom. So I just cleaned the mirror, the sink, the toilet, and then finished up with the floor. My next task was cleaning out the freezer. My freezer tends to become kind of a catch-all because when I meal prep something, it ends up going in the freezer after a couple days. And then of course, when we have leftovers that we don't end up eating, but I don't want to throw it away, it goes in the freezer. We do have a deep freezer, but I don't utilize it as well as I should. I end up putting things just in the main freezer here, and it just gets so cramped, and things tend to hide in there that I do just need to throw away. So what I ended up doing this night is I took everything out of the freezer. I threw away some old stuff that we aren't going to use or was too old, and then I also cleaned down the sides of the freezer and then the shelves as well. It was so good to give it a refresh. I had cleaned the freezer not really recently, but it had been less than a year ago. I think it was October or November of last year, so it hadn't been that long, but I did just want to give it a refresh since I was going to be going through everything. I also, you'll see in the next few clips here, a little bit further in the video, I do clean out all of the bins that I put food in that go in the freezer, so I cleaned all of those too. And on that note, that is going to wrap up today's video. For those of you who are still watching, thank you so much for watching my video. I appreciate every single one of you. Your support and your love does not go unnoticed, so thank you. If you liked any part of this video or found it helpful, motivating, or entertaining, would you please give it a thumbs up? And if you have not done so, please be sure to consider subscribing so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. And on that note, once again, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.